Well, I've done it in time for sunrise. I haven't seen a sunrise and I don't know how f***ing long. Not because I haven't been waking up early, but because the usual June gloom has been here since 2 months before June, and it's continuing on after June for what seems like the longest June gloom I've ever seen in my f***ing life. We still got some clouds out here. This is the fewest amount of clouds I've seen in 3.5 months. Whoa, ho, ho, ho. Do you know what time it is? Long Beach, do you know what time it is? It's the first hypodermic needle of the day, Hey, hey, first hypodermic needle of the day, Hey, hey. Yeah. Well, I guess it was only a matter of time before something went wrong. This little wire thing snapped. Something went wrong.